Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to R. Stay with us. Yes, first we're opening colors. Scarlet color. The next one is yes, cream color. Cream color. The next one is yes, pale pink color. Stay with us. Now we open the color of vivid green. Vivid green color. The next one is cool gray color. Cool gray color. Wow, so many colors. Baby blue color. Baby blue color. Kids, the next one is warm gray color. Wow. Forest green color. Forest green color. Black color. Black color. And the next one is geranium color. Stay with us. So many colors. The next one is pastel pink color. Pastel pink color. Yes, deep olive green color. Now we open the color of yellow green. Yellow green. Persian. Yeah, no. Light violet color. Exactly. The next one is pale blue light color. Now we open, and the last one is rose big color. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to R. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. Exactly. Now start writing. First we're writing the alphabet of A. A for apple, A for ant. The next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. The next one is C. C for cow, C for cat, C. Now we're writing the alphabet of D. D for dog, D for doll. E for elephant, E. E for elephant. Forest green color. F. F for fish. Now we're writing the alphabet of G. G for gorilla. Now we're writing the alphabet of H. H for hand. Yes. Now we're using the color of cool gray. I. I for ice, I for ice cream. J for jackfruit. K for kite. L for lion, L for lemon. M. M for moon, M for mango. N for nose, N for nest. The next one is O. O for octopus. P for penguin. P. P. The next one is Q. Q. Q for queen. R. R. R for rose, R for rice. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.